Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through the COUNTIF function. It's one of the logical functions that we have apart from the SUMIF and the nested if. COUNTIF is a function that counts elements in a range of cells which meets a given condition or criterion. And the general syntax or the format of using this particular function is this one. Remember the rules, just like another function, you must always start with the equal sign. So we have the equal sign and the COUNTIF, range, and the condition. And the range is the range of set that you want to count based on the criteria. And the criteria, because we have the range, the number, and the condition, which is the same as the criteria. The criteria is used to determine which cell to count. For example, assuming that you want to count to analyze our Sunshine Elementary School mini grade. This is our mini grade, as you can see. We have C, C minus, C minus, B minus, C minus, D, D minus, D plus, C minus, C, D plus, C plus, D, D, C, and C. Now let's assume that we have so many columns that we cannot afford to go to calculate each and every one of the cells. We can use the formula. Now let's start with maybe you can start with the topmost part, which is equal sign. Then COUNTIF, then brackets. Then we need to have the range. What do you want to calculate? Maybe you want to calculate the range. The range is the region. So we have this is our D. So this is a D12. Okay, I will drag using this one. I prefer to use this one. Then this is the range. Then the criteria, you're supposed to have a comma, as you can see. Then the criteria, we want to calculate the number of E that we have. Then you close your brackets, then you press enter. Then as you can see, we have a 0 answer. And if you check what we have, we don't have any E. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have the D minus, as usual, the COUNTIF. Then the range is from D12 all the way to D27. Then we introduce the criteria. And what do you want to calculate? You want to calculate the number of mean of D minus that we have in our list. Then you close the brackets, then you press the enter, and as you can see, we have only one, which is this one. So you use the same formula to calculate the rest of the data that we have. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is so I will copy the formula, then paste, then I'll adjust on this one, which is the D, and etc. So you repeat the same procedure all the way to the last part. These are very simple steps to use the COUNTIF to calculate or rather to count. So thank you for taking